ship our equipment to any country, including the former Soviet Union countries, the US, Canada, Europe, and around the world. We have well-working delivery channels and friendly companies that will help us with customs clearance in your country. At any time, our specialist will come to you and tell you how to arrange the CBD oil capsules production business in the best way. This automatic line allows switching from the gelatin shell to agar-agar shell of the capsule and in the reverse direction. This allows you to produce more unique types of products. CapsulesForYou.com invites you to our showroom, where we can demonstrate the operation of our equipment. We are always happy to see you. We are open to everyone and will be happy to show you how our equipment works. You are welcome to contact us at any time.